Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's full tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add an IBAN or bank account to your Facebook ads account in 2026, step by step. This is useful if you want to pay for ads directly from your bank instead of using a card. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know exactly how to set up IBAN payments, verify your bank, and avoid common errors. So let's get started. Step 1, open Ads Manager, right? Go to Meta Ads Manager. Once inside, select your ad account and click the top left menu here, right? The side panel. Just point it out. You can see multiple options. Hit billing and payments or payment settings. Right? This is where you manage all your payment methods. Step 2, go to payment methods, right? Press it. Inside billing, right? Let me wait for a few moments. You're gonna go ahead and hit add payment method. I'm not eligible, so that's why I'm not gonna be able to show you the whole shtick. But hit here add payment method. I'm gonna walk you through. You'll see now different payment options, right? Depending on your region, obviously. Select bank account or IBAN. If your region supports it, you'll see credit or debit card, PayPal, bank account, SEPA or IBAN. Select bank account or IBAN. Important. IBAN payments are usually available in Europe or SEPA region. In some countries, this option may not appear. Step 4, enter your IBAN details. Now enter your bank details carefully. Full name, must match bank account, IBAN number, bank name, sometimes autofilled, billing address. Double check everything before continuing. Step 5, verify your bank account. Meta may require verification. So, common methods, micro deposit verification, small amounts sent to your bank. Enter the exact amount in Ads Manager. Step 2, or the second option, instant verification via banking login, available in some regions. And verification can take 1 to 3 days. Step 6, set IBAN as primary payment method. After verification, go back to payment method, select your bank account, click set as primary. Right? Now your ads will be charged from your IBAN. Step 7, understand payment timing. Meta Ads uses 2 billing systems: automatic payments, manual payments. Automatic payments means charged after reaching a billing threshold or at the end of a billing cycle. Manual payments, you add funds before running ads. IBAN is usually used with automatic payments, so choose your poison. So, step 8, check currency and limits. Make sure your ad account currency matches your bank currency. You understand minimum billing thresholds. Your bank supports international payments. As you can see, this is Saudi Arabian Riyal, meaning I will use a Saudi Arabian IBAN. Okay? This prevents payment failures or high fees. So, if IBAN option doesn't appear, your country may not support it. Your account type may be restricted, as I'm currently am. Alright, as currently I am. Try switching business location. Use PayPal or card as backup. If verification fails, recheck IBAN. Ensure name matches exactly. Contact your bank. Step 10. Best practices for 2026. Use a bank business account, which is recommended. Always keep a backup payment method. Monitor billing thresholds. Avoid failed payment. You can pause ads. It can pause ads, and keep invoices for accounting. Avoid entering the wrong IBAN. Use an unsupported country account. Not verifying bank account. Ignoring billing verifications. Or relying on one payment method only. Here is the full process. You open Meta Ads Manager. Okay. You go to billing. And then you're going to find, of course, the payment methods, right? Payment settings and payment activity, right? This is where, of course, you'll see your transactions, okay? Inside payment settings, you're going to go ahead and click add payment method, right? Next, what you're going to do, you're going to add or select IBAN, bank account, which is available in Europe or SEPA regions. And then enter details. Verified bank next. Lastly, set as primary, right? If you have more than one account, more than an IBAN account. Done. right? Adding an IBAN to Meta Ads Manager in 2026 is a great option if you want more control over payments. I mean, especially for businesses running ads at scale. Okay, once set once set up correctly, it allows for smoother billing and better financial tracking. Just make sure your region supports it, your details are correct, and your account is fully verified. Okay, so let's run it back again. Open Meta Ads Manager, go to billing or in payment settings, right? And then you're gonna hit add payment method and select IBAN or credit or debit card or PayPal if available. Okay, select IBAN. Next, enter details, follow up by verifying your bank, right? Whether you will receive a login information, right, where you have to verify via a pop-up window like in PayPal, or you may need small charge beforehand, okay, to verify that your account is running. Then set your payment method as primary, and that will do it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.